Venari Minerals, formerly Astute Metals, is advancing dual exploration programs across Nevada in the USA, accelerating its Red Mountain Lithium Project and expanding discovery potential at its Needles Gold-Silver Project. Following exceptional lithium intercepts across successive drilling campaigns at Red Mountain, Venari has now lodged an exploration plan of operations, an EPO, with the US Bureau of Land Management, allowing for a fast-tracked expansion of exploration under the Trump administration's expedited permitting provisions for critical minerals. I'm joined today by Venari Minerals Executive Director and CEO Matt Healy to discuss this major milestone and the company's outlook heading into the year end. Matt, welcome to the Stock Network.
Yeah, thanks, Lau. Thanks for having me.
Now, Venari has completed its latest RC drilling campaign at Red Mountain, confirming widespread lithium mineralisation and prompting the filing of an exploration plan of operations EPO for up to 100 acres of disturbance under fast-tracking permitting provisions. How does this EPO submission position Venari to fast-track Red Mountain's development towards a maiden mineral resource estimate and future feasibility level studies?
Yeah, great question, Lel. Well, the maiden resource is basically locked in now. We're really just waiting on the assay results from our recent drilling campaign that you mentioned, and then we plug those results into the mineral resource estimate and see what comes out the other end. But in terms of, and I guess generally, when you're exploring on federal land in the US, you've got 5 acres of disturbance that you can utilize at the notice level, but once you've used that up, you need to get more disturbance allowance. And because we've had such successful drilling at Red Mountain, that means that we've permitted 30 drill pads project, and we've drilled all of those. So we're coming close to our 5-acre limit. But the good news is the Trump administration has fast-tracked permitting for critical minerals projects. And so that's what we've applied for. We applied for, as you said, another 100 acres. And that will basically enable the company to provide resource updates. So that's increasing the JORC category, expansion. Basically, it's enough disturbance to take the project right through to feasibility.
Excellent. Certainly big developments there. And RC drilling at Needles tested 6 priority targets within a large epithermal system, with assays pending and strong geological indicators emerging. What are the early signs from Needles, and also how could the upcoming assay results shape the next phase of exploration?
Yeah, like you said, the assays we're still waiting on, and unfortunately the US labs are very busy at the moment. We would have hoped to have those results by now, but it looks like we'll start to get them in about a week. The results that we can see so far is we identified lots of quartz veining and oxidized sulfides in the drilling. And that's exactly the signs that you want to see when you're looking for epithermal gold and silver mineralization. So we're pretty buoyed by those initial observations and the geological logging. But as I said, the results start coming through in about a week, and we'll get them for probably trailing in for over 2 weeks thereafter. And to answer your question, well, a gold or silver hit in one or more of these holes will provide some direct focus of where to do follow-up drilling. But also we've got some other data that's been coming in. We've got some soil sample results, geophysical survey results, and that'll help design and to shape our thinking about where to do our next drilling at this high potential project.
Excellent. And against that backdrop, you've had a $5.5 million placement completed during the quarter, strengthening the company's capacity to deliver this expanded Nevada program alongside the company's rebrand to Venari Minerals, meaning to hunt. How do these milestones position Venari to accelerate exploration across your very fast-growing lithium and gold-silver portfolio?
Yeah, well, the company's very well placed, Lel. As you said, $5.5 million raise was conducted in the quarter, but also we followed that up with an SPP that was planned to be only $500,000, but we had over $1 million worth of interest, and so that's highly successful. So we're very well placed to follow up on any results that we get out of this Needles drilling, and to continue advancing the Red Mountain Lithium Project after we put out this maiden resource in less than 2 months' time.
Matt, it's been a pleasure to speak with you and hear all of those updates from Venari Minerals. Look forward to keeping updated with the latest developments.
Thanks, Lau. Good to talk to you.